You have to be accurate on these, otherwise things will go south. So I'm gonna make my real line, oh, what color am I making that real line, white? That's a good idea. Great idea. Just a great idea. Okay, so here's my line, it's relatively close. So this red line that I have here is the answer, all the answers to this equation right here. You know, if x is 4, y is going to be -3. This point here is a specific answer. Looks like this is probably, or wherever. Okay? But you are given two equations, two linear equations, and you want to find the answer to both of them. What set of points makes both of them true? So all you're going to do with that is graph both lines and see where they cross. So we've already got one. We're going to graph the second one, which is 4x minus 2. So here at -2, there's a point. The slope is 4 over 1, so it goes 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1. Oh, look, how handy is that? And it crosses. Where do those two lines cross? Right there. Oh, I missed my thing there. So the answer to this, when it says solve by graphing, it's the place where they cross, which is x is 1, y is 2. You got your x and your y, so x is 1, comma 2. That is the answer we're looking for here. Okay? Now, some other things can happen here, children. You have three choices when you graph a line. Go back to my other page here. What are my three choices? Your three choices are these. Either the one we just had happens, where the two lines actually cross, and you get one answer. And I'll look this up, there's a special name for that. Consistent, inconsistent, and whatever. What else could happen with those two lines? Think of three different cases. In one case, they're going to cross, which is what happens most of the time. Another case would be, which is what? Two lines that never cross are, somebody? Parallel. If you graph two lines and they're parallel, there is what? No solution. You're looking for the place where they cross, so if they don't cross, there's no solution to it. Which, by the way, they'll come up a little bit later here, but what would you know about the slope of these two lines? Big, yeah. If two lines have the same slope but different y-intercepts, there's going to be no solution because they're never going to cross. Alright? And then the last option you have, Alexa Lutz, is what? Either they cross at one point or they don't cross, or option number 3 is, anybody? Option 3 is they end up being the same exact line. So it's this line, and then the second line actually is right over top of it. In which case, how many solutions would there be? It'd be infinite. I really should look this up and see what it is, because they'll ask about consistent, inconsistent, whatever. Okay. So just be aware for that. 90% of them will be this one. They'll cross and you'll get one answer. If they don't cross, there's no solution. If they end up being the same line, there's an infinite amount of solutions. And you just write infinite solutions on that. So perfect. I have for you